How to transfer Google Play Games data to Game Center. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Google Play Store on your device over here and make sure that you have logged into your account that you'd want associated in the Google Play Games as well. So after checking on that, let's go back and then launch the Google Play Games application on our device. As you do that, make sure you're logged into your account and then tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner. When you do that, you can see the option of settings. So just tap on settings and under the option of profile and privacy, you can see different options over here. So here, you should be able to find the option of automatically sign into supported games. But unfortunately, that option is not available in my device. But otherwise, this is the same option, which is automatically sign into supported games. So if you toggle on that option, then you'll be able to transfer Google Play Games data to Game Center. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.